Good afternoon. Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. Hi. Hi. Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are going to learn about parts of a computer. இன்னைக்கு என்ன படிக்க போறோம்? Computer monitor. So second part வந்து mouse. இது என்னது? What is this? Mahesh? Mouse. இது என்னது? Mouse. This is called the mouse. And everybody know what is this? Typing computer.
Keyboard.
இது என்னது?
Keyboard.
So இது வந்து CPU. கீழ இருக்குல? It's called the CPU. So என்னது இருக்கு? இது படிவா? Monitor. Mouse.
Keyboard.
And
CPU.
so these are the main parts of a computer. So that's a monitor. And for time,
clap பண்ணுங்க
amazing, super. Very good. Bye-bye.
clap guys.
What is this? Okay. It's a monitor. Monitor. Is it
Monitor.
What is this? So it's a monitor. All of this. See this? This is called a monitor. Monitor. One more time. Monitor.
Monitor.
What is this?
Monitor.
It's a monitor.